trying to kill me. Anyway, he's got this dent in the bumper on this same 99 Toyota Camry. And I'm going to see what I could do about removing this dent. Now this is one of those really common dents. It's like a bump up you get in a parking lot, and it's right here on the corner. And it's been here a while. You can see the age and the cracks. You didn't do it, did you?
No.
It was like it when you bought it, right?
No, I happened after I bought it, but I wasn't driving it. Somebody hit me.
Oh, okay. You match your car.
I know.
Okay. Oh, okay. Just make sure. Okay. Anyway, so that wasn't a joke. I meant like your shirt matches your car.
Oh no, I'm serious.
Oh, okay. You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, my train of thought derailed. Anyway, this bumper has a dent, and like I said, it's right on the crease, and they're not, or it's right on the edge. This would be the corner, you know, but the edges of it are still really soft. You know, it's just a bubble dent. Now, I'm not saying I can make it look brand freaking new, but I'd be willing to bet I can get most of this dent out. And I don't have a heat gun. I burnt my heat gun up, so the extension cord I was using was shorted out and put power to both sides and fried the coals in it. So what we're going to do is set this to hot. This is a hairdryer. Set it to hot. Set it to high. And apply heat right there in the center and work our way around. Once we get it warm enough, I've got this tire changing tool. I'm going to shove underneath the bumper and pry outward and try to get this smooth flat part right here on the back side, right there in the middle. So let's go ahead and heat this thing up really good and see what we can do. Okay, so looky there. I set my hairdryer up on this lawn chair, pressed it up against the bumper, and used one of my tire tools like I showed you to wedge up behind there, and look at that. Now it's not perfect. You can still see the wave where it's been creased for a long time. If I would have got it out the day it would have dented, a bunch of that would have been, it wouldn't be there. But we're doing the best we can, and the best part is the big dent is out. So if you're standing away from it, you no longer see that big old dent. You get up close, you can still see some waves in it, but what I'm doing now is I'm keeping heat on it so I can try to adjust my little pry bar and maybe take out a couple more of the little bulgy spots in it, like right there. So we'll see how it goes. Alright, so that's the best we got it. If you stand away from it, you really can't even tell that it's been bumped into. And all I used was a hairdryer. One of the tools you use to change tires with. It has that soft end on the back, and I ran it right up underneath the bumper between the brace. Paco, every time I gotta go to film, you do that. And I ran it right down and just pushed it right out. And that's what we've got. So you can still see a couple of the wavy spots, but that's just because it was dented for so long. If we would have got to it right when it would have happened, we could have pulled it out and you would have never noticed that it had ever been wrecked. Isn't that right, Paco? Paco, isn't that right? I'll find it be that way. No one cares about you anyway. But it's better than it was, and then we replaced some taillight bulbs that were out too, so. And then we cheat. Anything else? Okay. You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Paco, tell him bye.